Arriving Fall 2025, the Nike Air Max Plus tuned reimagines a 90s icon with a vibrant twist inspired by the OG Sunset colorway. This latest edition stands out with oversized tuned and air branding across its breathable mesh upper, giving it a bold and rebellious edge. The upper features a fiery gradient that transitions from bright yellow at the toe to deep orange at the heel, instantly evoking sunset vibes. Grounding the vivid palette, black plastic overlays and a matching black midsole add contrast and structure, while yellow accents hit the mini swoosh, toggle lacing system, and eyelets for an added pop. Despite its striking redesign, Nike keeps the essentials intact, like the tuned air cushioning system, durable mesh build, and signature TPU cage that helped define the silhouette since its late 90s debut. Modern in expression but rooted in heritage, the tuned Air Max Plus is set to drop via Nike.com and select retailers.